Fibrenew restores leather, plastic, and vinyl wherever it's found, whether in a car, in a home, a business, a boat, a restaurant, or a medical facility. We cater to multiple markets, and there's always demand for what we do. Customers ask us every day to help them save time and money. Not only do we do that, but our service also prevents countless items from ending up in landfills. It's win-win-win between our valued customers, us as the restoration heroes, and our precious planet. With over 275 locations in the US, Canada, Mexico, Chile, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, and Brazil, we are the dominant player in the category. But even with 200 locations in the US, we still have room for another 400 franchises across the country. Fibrenew started franchising back in '87. We've been through a few twists and turns of the economy, but through it all, we have never stopped growing. Our franchise partners appreciate our flat rate royalty program and low operating costs. There's no big brother, no red tape, and no financial reporting. Cutting-edge color matching technology called the Color Eye gives our technicians quick and easy access to matched color. This gives us a huge competitive advantage. A best-in-class field management app called Jobber gives franchisees complete control and visibility into their businesses as they're on the go. The support and training systems we've developed over the past 3.5 decades never remain stagnant. New technologies, fresh approaches, and a never-ending enthusiasm for what we do continually fuel the Fibrenew fire. We have an especially happy community of owners who have reported to Franchise Business Review that they value Fibrenew's training and support, products, innovation, culture, levels of trust, respect, honesty, and overall enjoyment. 90% of owners recommend the business to others. Our franchise partners come from all walks of life prior to opening a Fibrenew location. There are past mechanics, oil executives, teachers, chefs, sales professionals, engineers, tow truck drivers, and pilots, to name a few. If you have candidates looking for a time-tested concept, a service that cannot be outsourced or replaced by machines, and a business that's in high demand across multiple markets, we are ready to talk with you. Reach out to our franchise development team today to start the conversation.